Izzy, look at me. Look at you. Oh my goodness. What have you done? Have you been rolling in the dirt? Yeah? Well, what do you think, mister? Look at you. Platinum blonde retriever thinking she's dirty. Hi, Darmavu. Look at you. What do you think, Higgies? What do you think, mister? Hi. You're in a good mood today, huh? Yeah. What do you think, Bee? There are those two. My goodness. They're such good friends. Coda sure loves Caspian, that's for sure. Oh, there's Joe. It's a beautiful day in Southern Oregon. We woke up Wednesday morning to a 1/4 inch of ice on the road, so this is a nice change. What do you think, Iz? What do you think, Hicks? All right, let's continue on our walk, shall we? Yeah, okay.